Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily share your screen on WebEx. So first head over and launch your WebEx app and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. The next step is you have to join or start your meeting. Simply click on the icon and from the window that popped up, you can start setting up your mic, the device that you would like to use, and your video layout. Then head over and start the meeting. Once inside the meeting, at the bottom corner of your screen, you should see the share button. All you have to do is click on it, and from here, you'll see several options pop up. Choosing this screen will share your full screen, while choosing screens under the application section shares only one specific app like in my case, OBS Studio or Windows Explorer or Chrome. In some cases, you should also see a browser tab that shares only one tab from your web browser. Click on the item or screen that you would like to share. And as you can see, whenever I hover my mouse on a specific screen, this green border shows up. That green border signifies what areas is being shared. So once you're ready, just head over and click on the share button. You also have an option here to adjust settings on your shared screen. You can adjust the resolution and frame rate. You can also include computer sound, show me in front, or show my WebEx app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!